Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Logos with Shofu. Today I am going to make some typographical logo. So first of all I will mm, make my thumbnail change, then I will start it. So let's see. You can see here typographical logo. Um, my topic here. I'll drop it down here. Then uh, part one will be the right things, I hope. Then I will make it change here, change this color with white. It will make white because I will make my background white today. So let's see. This will be the black. Mm, this will be the black, and okay, it's fine to see. So let's see. Mm, Unlock all. Then I will make it change here, so give here a rectangular tool. You can see, make a rectangular tool here, which is a gradient, but I will make it red, sorry, make it red here, and arrange it arrange it to back, set to back. How it look like? It look very nice to see. You can see here it's very nice. And then I will save it. I will save this and mm, make here a change. uh, Make here a change with export. I need a jpg file, so use that boot and make it jpg. Okay, and replace it. It's a nice thing. Now I want to make a new page here, new page. So let's go. What I am doing, you can see here 10 into 10 inch a document. I will create this. I want a 10 into 10 inch, so let's make it. Yeah, I got a 10 into 10 inch document. So first of all I will make a I will first I will work with X. Today I will work with X. So here you can see X. I I make it 250 font, 250. You can see 250 font, and uh, font style here. You can see many style here. I need a nice font. I need a nice font which is look very nice to see. uh, I think it's very nice to see. You can see here it's very nice to see. I got this and make it. What can I do? First of all I will make it as create outline and ungroup this. That's why I can do anything with it. And so let's see. In this portion I will make it, this portion and this portion will be the same. I'll make it same, and this portion will be the another. So let's see with I will make here, sorry, this portion will be the this portion will be the red here. You can see here it's red. Hmm. then then I will make here a change. Sorry, what's problem with my, and this portion will be the red, and now I will make here this portion will be cut it down with my with the shape builder tools here. You can see make a shape builder tools here and cut down. You can see I make it red, and this portion will be the, so this portion will be the another color. So I will make it, mm, which is the perfect one for the red. I think who is the perfect one for the red. Sorry, black is the perfect one for the red. So I make here this red, but I will change here something. So I will make it. Uh, um, I will make here something. Sorry, mm, and make it red. Make it red. You can see here. Make it red, and uh, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion will be the red here. You can see. I will I will cut it down again with the shape builder tools. You can see make it shape builder tools, and now see how it look like. It look very nice to see. It's a logo. You can see here it's logo. How nice to see here. You can see we got a logo. You can see here. It's very nice to see. You can change anything with it. It's very nice. It's very nice to see here. You can make it just make over it a over it a graph, and then just color it over a color. If a color here, then cut it down with shape builder tools. Just simple things, and you can do anything with it. So they start try it out and work it. It's a nice logo. You can see here it's a nice logo. So here it is, and I will go for now I will go for another logo. uh, Today I will go for jet. I take the jet. I will, you can see how it look like. It will be the same things, but I will change its font. So change this font. uh, Change this font. Whose font will be the best for it? Mm, I will take this font, and oh, what? First of all, I will make it create outline, then make it ungroup. So so let's see how it look like and how it works. I will make here a gradient color. uh, what will be the and this one will be the 50 and I will make here a nice thing here, and here will be the this. Then I will make here more deeper, so you can see here how it look like. It look very nice to see. Just two color I used. Mm, in the middle point I use the deeper green, and the other points I use the lighter green. It's look very nice to see. You can see here it's look very nice, and you have to work this on your home and try it out how it look like. It's very nice to see. You can see here it's amazing. And you can now I will make it short. How it look like, it look very nice. Then I will make here a change, which will be the uh, I will make here a nice thing, which will be the L, but I don't need this font, so I need a font. I need this font. I took this font and I will make change there. Hmm. Which will be the this one another color, this one another color. So first of all, I will make it create outline, and then ungroup this. Uh, First of all, I will make here a change with the rectangular tool here, which will be the I'll make it red, just red, just one color change. It will just simple things I created here. You can see I created simple things, just simple things I create. Which one will be the right? Um, I make here this one is will be the right. So let's see how it look like. I will cut it down this portion with the shape builder tools. You can say I always make a cut with shape builder tools. Why not the other tools, pathfinder tools? But this portion in the letter you can cut it down with the another tool. Cut it down with the another tool. You have to make it with the shape builder tools. That's why I make it with the shape builder tools and just make it down. So you have to make it here. So how it look like, it's look very nice to see. How it look like, it's very nice to see. I'll make it short here. So how it look like. It's look very nice to see. This is the I make it safe here. This is the end of my today's class. Hope you join the next class, and I will make something new. Mm, you have to wait sometimes, and then I will make here some new things. I will make here some new things about the iconic logo. So be with us, and for the next class, till then, Allah Hafiz.